Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. We'll make a pretty quick video, so I might talk really quick, so you might not get exactly everything I've got to say, because I'm going to talk really quick. These are a set of injector internals from a guy by the name of Steve B from Black's Beach in Queensland, and here are his internals. The injector seats, as you can see, original injectors at 206,000 Ks, well and truly overdue, about to start leaking. The normal wear on the command piston of the injectors, bada bing, bada boom, and that's it, guys. Good to see everybody replacing those old injectors. They're long overdue, should have been sooner, but I'd rather be replacing old flogged injectors than ones out of vehicles that are only 5 years old because they've been taken to the wrong place and let the wrong people work on them, and then they just butcher the vehicles and they need work prematurely. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, turn the bell on, give us a thumbs up, and bada bing, bada boom. See ya. Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. That was the fast version. We can do fast and quick, and you just tell me how it felt for you. I'll be looking in the comments. We can do quick and fast and bada boom, bada bing. Thank you, ma'am. Bang, bang, wham, bang, out the door. Okay, so, or we can just do a bit slower and a bit more detail and be really clear about what we're talking about. Now, I've done a few videos like this. I'm not sure how many are only in the VIP group. Probably quite a lot, since these are people's injectors that have returned their old injectors. We don't do a video on all of them, usually just when there's something significant to see. But I just really wanted to say, yep, another old original set of injectors. Let's have a close look at those command pistons. Look at that wear on there, right? See the wear? You can just see it all over them, mate, you know. Off their heads. These clearances are like, we're talking, you know, a micron, you know, 2 microns type thing, you know, a few microns here or there, you know. So if you can see the wear with your eye, that's off its head. I can tell you that's pretty standard stuff. I don't know if that helps having the hand there or not. There you go. Pretty cool, all right. At least we've got it focused in the right spot this time. All right. If you've got anything old like that, as I've said before in other videos, even the 2009, 10, 11 and most 12 150 Prados are going to have same non-DLC coded command pistons like that. The other reason to change them is the seats. See the ceiling area? I'll pick those up as well for you. All right, let's bring them up here. All right, we'll try and make it a quick one anyway, but I just thought I'd do the quick one for you so you can see what quickies are like, right? Okay, so a bit of light shining on them the wrong way, but look, you can see the seating area. There's not much left, you know, about to see that there, you know, they're about to blow through. That's at just over 200,000 Ks, right? So pretty bad. This is the other side that always stays good. This is what you want to see. You want to get them out and go, yeah, well and truly got those long, you don't want to be borderline, right? So if that was 206,000 Ks, that's why I tell you 170. I want to get them out before this gets chaotic, and they can leak. We got them here. We got the all the ones that leaked, you know, under sort of 230,000 here. We got 138K. We got 166, 167. We got 144. We won't include the brass washers, you know. They leak straight away because they never sealed. That's another story. These are all, you know, legitimate ones. Look, quite often they do last over 200,000, but only just, okay? So just want to show you plenty of wear there. On those 150 Prados and the later Hiluxes, an upgrade, full DLC. These seats, they go hand in hand replacing the injectors in the seats, right? So there's a number of reasons. There's a few people out there at the moment, I don't know, like people keep talking diagnostics. As I've said in so many videos, diagnostics is good for the 05, 6, 7, 8, 9 until they changed. After that, you rarely see anything in diagnostic. Worth doing every now and then, because sometimes you do if you think you got a problem. But I can tell you there's a problem, and it looks like that and that. And if you've recently purchased the vehicle, you don't know what the history of it is. This is the problem. You don't know what the history is. That's why you go ahead and do the job, because it probably hasn't been done. And if it has been done, it could have been done with Chinese copies, other brands, remanufactured. We had someone speaking to us today. Look, the car's gone to a place that I've seen work from this place. It's just absolutely terrible. You don't know the history. Get the job done. Stop thinking everything's okay because, oh, the diagnostics said so, right? Base it on averages, right? You know, that's the best thing you can do. These are one of the best vehicles you can get. One of the best engines also. You just need to understand a few things. Injectors don't last forever, and it's not all about diagnostics. But that's up to you. There you go. I kept it pretty short anyway. I hope you had a laugh for the little bit at the start. I didn't plan that actually, so I could have done so much better and said so much more and talked so much faster, but it wasn't planned. I just started off quick one and then I just bang, it was just off the cuff. So hope you had a bit of a giggle anyway. Hope you got something out of this. just showing you the wear, going hand in hand. Most of these sort of videos in the VIP group. Anyway, whatever. If you got something of that, remember, please give us the thumbs up. And yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe, turn that bell on. We've got heaps more information coming your way to help you maintain your vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.